welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be transforming into a vampire. So let's get started.
Okay, you guys, so like my daughter said, we're gonna be transforming her into a vampire. Yeah. So yeah, let's get started. So with her, I'm just gonna be doing some makeup and, you know, making her look like a vampire. So let's get started, you guys. I'm gonna be using the Morphe Jocelyn Hill palette. What is this? This is Bling Boss. And I'm going to be using this for her vampire look. So yeah, guys, I have no idea how I'm going to be doing this, but I'm finna wing it. Baby.
Okay.
Just keep your eyes closed. I'm going to be using Hush Hush in this palette. And then in her crease, I'm going to put, I think this is too big for your eye. Hold on. And in her crease, I'm going to put Sparks. So I put Hush Hush first, and then I'm going to put Sparks in her crease. I'm going to try not to do so much on her, but at the same time, I don't know, because sometimes I go crazy. And I can't help it. It's not my fault, you guys. Now you want to take a piece of tissue paper like this, and you want to like basically rip it apart like this. And since there are bite marks, you want the tissue paper to be small. So like this small. You see that? Like that. And I'm just going to be breaking like a few of those pieces like that. I'm going to be using my liquid latex. And since my little brush is not here, I'm just going to be using like this makeup brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, I want the bite marks to be like right here. Like a, just put a circular motion, as you can see. And the tissue. Give me the tissue, baby. Tissue. pressure down. So, you know, it's gonna be kind of thick so you can break that hole. I want this bite to look like smaller, so I'm just gonna break the edges like this. And then I'm gonna do the same for the next bite. There you have it, you guys, your vampire princess. Okay guys, that is a look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in our next video.
Bye.